Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we have finally reached 70,000 fossil coins, and we also bought the both skins of Popol and Koopa. So it is possible to get all of this without buying the fossil coins from the battle points. So let's buy this All-Star Nostalgic Selection. So if you already have these skins, it will turn into fragments. I still need to farm for the missiles because it's charisma, and we still have 2 days left on this event upon this recording. Can claim more. Ooh. So I can buy another missile. Nice. And I can also get more coins here from the exchange. I will buy it if I don't have any more time or I lack fossil coins, because I have no use for the battle points. I already have all the heroes. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.